Hello class, welcome back to your GK class, class 5. Today we are going to start a new topic from your page number 16 of your GK book. In this topic, we are going to study about the name of a country, its capital, its continent, and along with its parliament. So in this video, we will see the different names of the parliament of different countries. Let's begin here. We all know our country is India and the capital of India is New Delhi. The continent is Asia and the parliament is known as the name of Sansad. Here there are two pictures. The top one shows the building of parliament, the old building of parliament, and here the below one shows the new building of parliament which is under construction. Move to the second country. Here it is China. The capital of China is Beijing. It is in the Asia continent. The name of the parliament is National People's Congress. This is the picture of China's parliament. Move to the third one, Russia, RUSSIA, Russia. It is a country whose capital is Moscow, and the part it is a big country and some part of it lies in Asia continent and some part of it lies in Europe continent. Here in this video we will talk about what is the name of its parliament. It is called as Federal Assembly. Move to the next one, the fourth one, Denmark, DENMARK, Denmark. Its capital is Copenhagen, COPENHAGEN. It is in Europe continent. The name of its parliament is Folketing, FOLKETING. The next picture we are having of the country Japan. Its capital name is Tokyo, TOKYO, Tokyo. It is in Asia continent and the parliament name of Japan is Diet, DIET. Move to the next picture. Hope you have remembered the name of this parliament building. Move to the next one. Sixth one, Bangladesh. Its capital is Dhaka, DHAKA. It is in Asia continent and the parliament building of Bangladesh is known as Jatiya Sangsad. Now we are having on the seventh number Israel, ISRAEL. Israel, its capital is Jerusalem. It is in Asia continent and the parliament building of this is Knesset, KNESSET. Now we are having on the eighth sequence United States, US. The abbreviation of it is US. The capital of it is Washington DC. It lies in North America continent. The name of its parliament is Capitol, CAPITOL. Lastly, we are having the name Britain, BRITAIN, Britain. Its capital is London. Britain is in Europe continent and the parliament is known as the name of House of Commons and House of Lords. Let's quickly take a recap what we have studied from the beginning. Parliament names of different countries. First, India, Sansad. Second, China, National People's Congress. Third, we are having Russia, Federal Assembly. On the fourth, we are having Denmark, Folketing, Japan, Diet, Bangladesh, Jatiya Sansad, Israel, Knesset, United States, Capitol, Britain, House of Commons and House of Lords. Thank you class. In the next video, we will see the next page number 70.